What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about the best insurance for photo and video creators and production business owners. Whether you're running a one-man show, freelancing, or managing a whole production team, there are specific coverages you need to keep your project safe, your contracts compliant, and your business growing. So let's break this down together in a way that actually makes sense. First off, let's talk about general liability and professional liability, two coverages people often confuse. Now, general liability covers things like bodily injury or property damage to others. For example, if a client trips over your lighting cable on a set and breaks their wrist, that's a general liability claim. Now, professional liability, also known as errors and omissions, is different. It covers mistakes in your actual work. Let's say you deliver a project late, or a client claims you didn't capture what they hired you for and they lose money because of it. Professional liability protects you in those situations. Together, general liability and professional liability gives you a strong foundation. Next up, we have hired and non-owned auto insurance. A lot of creatives don't realize this, but if you or your team use personal cars to travel to shoots, or you rent a van to haul equipment, your personal auto policy won't protect you if something happens while you're working. That's where hired and non-owned auto kicks in. It's crucial for your production team constantly moving from one location to another. Now let's talk about your gear. Cameras, lenses, lighting, sound, all of it adds up to tens of thousands of dollars. Now there are two main ways you can insure your equipment. First is a commercial property coverage, which is essentially coverage at a fixed location like a studio or office. And then there's inland marine insurance, which travels with you project to project. So if you're filming on location, most of the time, inland marine is usually the right fit. But a lot of creatives need both studio coverage plus on-the-go protection. Another big one is workers' comp insurance. If you hire employees, you're likely required to carry it. But even if you don't have W-2 staff, a lot of production teams bring in freelancers or 1099 subcontractors, as you know. Workers' comp can often be structured to cover them too, which protects you if someone gets injured on the set. This is where a good broker makes all the difference, because they'll know how to structure your plan so you're not exposed. And I'll give you a real example. I recently helped a super talented group of photo and video creatives who just landed a contract to film at a big shopping center every quarter. Now they needed to move fast, and the contract required both general and professional liability, hired and non-owned auto, and workers' comp. All tied together, we got it in one neat policy package. We got them all set up with everything they needed so they could focus on their creative work and not lose out on the opportunity. And honestly, this is the kind of stuff that really fires me up. Seeing creatives chase their vision, knowing that I play just a small part in helping them grow. So to wrap this up, if you're a photo or video creative, or you're running a production company, you don't just need insurance to check a box off. You need the right plan that matches how you actually operate. That means liability, professional liability, auto, equipment, and workers' comp, all structured in a way that protects you and keeps you contract ready. And the best way to do that, work with a broker who understands your industry and can make sure you are covered properly without overpaying. Now, the next steps are simple. Click the link below to get connected and see what kind of plan we can put together for your business.